I believe the journal now having, I think about maybe 10 years or so. And there are many people now in research in the field in terms of the mathematical technique, in terms of the reliable engineering, in terms of the safety. I think the people recognize the journal, but surely will also take some time for the people to get to know more. And one of the key is very crucial in terms of the number of citation for every paper in the journal, because when the people are going to submit the journal, so they are also looking into it. So, but Professor Ram is now working on and have been working on in the last 5-7 years actively. So I'm sure in the near future, so the booming, and many people working in the field already know more and can submit more publication and so on. So that is very crucial for the from the editor, from the journal point of view, but also from the author. They would like to see that as well.